everyone, my name is Madison and welcome back to my channel. I spent some money lately and I got some things I'm excited to show you all. I have been very proud of myself for saving more money lately. I've been working my booty off. I kind of have 4 jobs right now, which has been a lot, but it's all been very, very rewarding. And I went ahead and picked up some things I've had my eye on for a while, had kind of been needing, and I have like a, I don't know, with some things I have a mentality in the sense that I really like to think about something before I buy it, and if I think about it for a very long time, it means I should probably buy it because I'll probably use it a lot. And other things, I have like a, if it's not a hell yes, it's a hell no kind of attitude. So in that sense, I'm maybe more impulsive, but either way, here's some things I picked up that I thought y'all might want to check out. First things first, y'all, I don't know if I showed y'all this one. I have been absolutely loving my Lululemon scuba funnel necks lately. I think this is my 5th scuba hoodie, my like half zip scuba hoodie, but it's my 3rd funnel neck one. I flippin' love these. These are, they're so comfy. They're nice and fuzzy and cozy. I feel like they don't look quite as sloppy as like a big baggy oversized hoodie, but then they also are comfortable. If I get really cold, I can also just kind of like turtle up like this. I love these things. They look great with jeans, leggings, whatever. These are great Christmas gifts. I will have this one, if I can't find the exact color, I will have them linked down below if y'all are interested. But I picked this up a few weeks ago, I think, and I don't think I've showed y'all yet, but I love them, and I love this one. This purple one has been definitely one of my favorites. Then from Lululemon, I picked up 2 things that I was really surprised, honestly, to get my hands on, and I picked up 2 of the belt bags. I will have these linked down below if I can find them and if they are available for y'all. The first one I picked up is just the plain black one. Nothing on the strap. Again, just very plain black. My mom asked for one of these for Christmas, and as soon as I saw like a neutral-ish color pop up, I knew I had to get her one. These things sell out like crazy on the website, and I feel like lately they've had a lot of like neon colors. So she asked for something pretty neutral. Black's about as neutral as they get. I feel like navy can be kind of polarizing. I'm a big fan of gray and black, so I picked her up this one, which I'm very excited I was able to get my hands on. And then the second one I picked up is the Everywhere Belt Back with the word mark. So this is the black and white word mark. It says Lululemon on the strap. A little bit more in your face. I think I'm probably going to keep this one for myself. I do not actually have a Lululemon belt bag. I have one of the crossbody looking belt bags that has the gray and white stripe all the way around, and it is gray. I was very excited when they had this one available. Again, just something nice and neutral, not quite as plain black as the one without the word mark. But I know these are so like basic white girl, but I love them. And I don't care if I am that generic, I guess you could say. So I was very, very excited to pick these up. Moving on to Sephora. Sephora had their VIB sale, I think is what it's called, really recently. I don't spend a lot of money at Sephora. I love their stuff. I just don't tend to wear enough makeup that I feel like I can justify spending a lot of money on things. But I did go ahead and pick up some things that I had been loving skincare wise. Went ahead and picked up some gifts, and then of course, I don't know, just other little random things. First off, I went ahead and purchased the Sephora Probiotics Nourishing Moisturizer, Hydrate and Repair. I picked up 2 of these. I just finished my old pot, so I already opened the second one of these because the sale was a few weeks ago. I think it actually might be going on still. I don't really know. I thought it ended on October or November 7th, but then I feel like I was looking at their website the other day and it's still going on. If y'all like the Milk Moisturizer, this is basically a dupe for it. This stuff is super, super thick. unscented, clean, all natural, no perfume, 93% ingredients from natural origin, whatever that means. Clinically proven for all skin types, including sensitive, high tolerance for sensitive skin. 41% of the plastic in here is recycled, which is cool. I don't know. This has been my new favorite moisturizer. This would be my third pot. I have picked up so many of these just because I love them. They're super affordable. I think they're $17 when the Milk moisturizer is $38. And I think this is over double the size or about the same size, something like that. But these are great. They have quite a few. So if you're looking for a nice, thick, but relatively lightweight, clean moisturizer, look for the one with a pink lid and a little blue square. There's a few that have like yellow and green, I think, on them. But like I said, it's really nice and thick without leaving my face feeling like I'm gonna be sweating afterwards. So in that sense, it's pretty lightweight, but I love this stuff. My nose peels like 24/7. Even in the summer, I've really struggled with my nose peeling until I found the Milk moisturizer. But that one is just so expensive. I can't justify spending $38 on it. So one of the Sephora employees recommended me this about 6 months ago or so, and I have been hooked. Benefit also had their holiday sets out that were 10% off, and I got the Letters to Lashes one. This one has an $81 retail value and it sold for $42, and it comes with 3 full-size mascaras, which is nuts. If you divide 42 by 3, these are each like what, $14, which is beyond me. I feel like even drugstore mascaras lately have been like 11 bucks at Target. So to get 3 full-size Benefit ones for basically the same price has been awesome. I'm currently wearing the They're Real mascara right now, but it also came with Bad Gal Bang and then Roller Lash. I might pick up another one of these tins just because that is such a screaming good deal, and I love these mascaras. I haven't tried Bad Gal Bang, but They're Real and Roller Lash have been 2 of my longtime favorites. This could be a great gift if you're looking. Comes in this nice little cute tin, but very excited about this. Last but not least, from Sephora, I went ahead and picked up a gift. This is the Laneige Sweet Dream Trio of their lip masks. It comes with the full-size berry, a mini peppermint, and a mini pumpkin spice. I tried my first Laneige lip mask last Christmas when I bought the set of the 5 tiny ones, and caved, and I have been hooked on their, I don't know, just them in general. So I picked this up. I don't know if I'll give this to my mom, sister, who, but I've been loving mine, and I figured this would be a great gift to have around. I don't know about y'all, but my dad is always needing last minute stocking stuffers for my mom, so I'd like to have little things like this around that we can throw in her stocking. This retailed for $32 and has a value of $43, so not a great deal. I mean, it's a good deal, but like, this is a kick-ass deal. But another great gift idea if y'all are looking for something. I was browsing the REI website, as I do, and I came across these boots that I say came across. These are the Blundstone, I don't remember exactly what color these are, but these are one of the Blundstone boots. I have had my eye on these for well over a year. REI had one of their member sales, I want to say like 6 months ago, where you got like either 20 or 30% off one full price item, if you remember. And I should have gotten these boots then. It had to have been over 6 months ago. And I have been waiting and waiting and waiting for them to have another sale so I can buy them cheaper. These boots retail for $220, which is kind of a lot. So I picked them up for like $180, $175, I want to say, with the 20% off. I think it's $220. Either way, I have been loving these boots. I've worn them a few times now. They're a little snug on my ankle. I think I just need to wear them in more. I picked them up in the size 6.5. I am so glad I bought these. This is definitely a more practical purchase. I had one pair of little black boots that I had been wearing for, I want to say, like 3 years or so. They were so worn that you could bend it and the entire, like, the rubber was completely broken all the way through, and you could see the little pad in the bottom of the shoe. And so I'd walk through snow, my sock would be soaked. I'd accidentally like step in a puddle or on ice and the ice would break through. My feet would be soaked the entire day. So I decided it might be worth having a good pair of boots that are gonna last me a long time. And these are so flippin' cute, so I picked these up. Very excited about them, and I have been loving them lately. Last but not least, I got these in the mail today. I ordered them twice actually. I ordered them on the Amazon Prime Day sale, and then they didn't come for like 3 weeks, and I was looking and they were cheaper on Amazon than they were on the Amazon Prime Day sale. So I canceled that order, reordered them at the cheaper price. And these are the Beats Wireless Studio 3, I think is what they're called. Like I said, I got them today in the mail. They come with this fun little case. They really smell like wet paint. Yeah, like really smell like wet paint. But I'm so excited about these. I feel like I look ridiculous in them, but I have never owned a pair of over-ear headphones. I figured these would be great for the gym, working out, studying, whatever it might be. I got the white and the gold pair. These are fully wireless, noise canceling, over-the-ear headphones. And I'm so excited to listen to my EDM so loud while I'm studying. I haven't figured out how to fold them back up again so I could put them in the case, but they are beautiful, and I'm very excited about these. So either way, that is everything I have picked up recently. I hope you all enjoyed. Like I said, I will have everything linked down below if you're interested in checking any of these items out. I love you all so much, and I hope you have a great day. Peace out. Bye.